Hi, this is Roxanne with the Power Lead System. You can create multiple lead capture pages for any type of business. For example, insurance, real estate, internet marketing, any kind of business that you have. You can take any of the templates in the system and customize them to make your own unique capture page. This can be done in about 2 to 5 minutes. I'm going to explain how to create a capture page and insert a video. Step 1. You hover the mouse over websites. Choose Web Pages. Click on Create Web Page. Then choose with a custom template. When the menu drops, choose the first option, Use an opt-in form. This brings us to templates. Choose a template. There are a variety to choose from, but for this video purpose, we were going to choose this one because I want to show you how to insert a video. Choose option 1. At the top of the page, click here to choose this template. Name this page. It's important to give each page a unique name so that you can recognize it in the future. We're going to name this page Create Capture Page. Only you will see this. Name Web Pages. This is the same name that will appear in the title tab. We are going to name this Capture Template. Next, highlight the fields that will be on the opt-in form. Choose an autoresponder campaign. You have several options. You can create your own autoresponder campaign. You can use one that is in the system, the variety to choose from, or you can edit one to suit yourself. Choosing subdomain. You can either use an existing subdomain or create a new subdomain by typing in the blank space. The system will automatically create one for you. We will name this Capture Template, no spaces. The next step is where you want to prospect to go after the opt-in form. After the opt-in, we will want them to go to sales pages. This is because you don't want them to fill in another opt-in form. So go to the landing page of your opportunity. We will use free toolbox. Copy it and then paste it in here. Delete the HTTP. And press save. Now we're going to edit the lead capture page text. It's very simple. Here you can type what you want the headline to be. We will type 5 quarts only. Next, type your subheading. Change your finances. We can edit it by changing the color, the fonts, we can bold it, you can be as creative as you want to be. It's all up to you. Okay, so go ahead and save. The video that you insert can be a message that you want to get to your prospect. In this case, you will want to upload your own video to YouTube, or you can use a video from another website. You upload one from YouTube. So save to move to the next step. Go to YouTube, select the video. We will choose one in advance. So click on share, click on embed, copy the code, and paste it right here. So click on start my video automatically. Save, view. Here you see the video that you uploaded is playing. There are options to change the background. You can upload a banner. It all depends on your creativity and how you want to stand out. So go ahead, take advantage of a 7 days free trial. This is Roxanne, your Windows to Opportunity. Change your outlook, change your life.